Traders, Zelman here. It's August 21st. The market is closed. I'm going to report on ticker symbol AVSR. Now, what happened here at the beginning of August, we had a quick surge right here and popped up to about 4 cents or so, right? A little over 4 cents. And here's the thing, it dropped down to half a penny again. But the MAC histogram, and based on what it's showing as far as support and like an upward pattern trying to be created, it's showing that it wants to make another run. Now, this is all my opinion, but based on what I see here, there's more volume than before, and it looks like buyers are trying to trade this stock up. Now, we have to see and wait if it is possible, but if you guys were looking into this and you have the same view as me or something similar, don't put all your eggs in one basket. Test the worst. Yes, it does look plausible, and it may do what it says it will based on the volume, and the MAC histogram and where it's trading at right now compared to what it was trading at in the beginning of August or even July or anything before that in general since February. But we see a huge up move over here, and it's higher than the February's move. So it seems like there's buyers taking control of this stock. It's mind-boggling how the buyers are holding this up. So there could be traders that are influxing into this position. And this is something you guys should keep your eyes on. If you do get in this position, don't go crazy, don't go heavy. But you can put a little something just to get a little taste to see what she does. And if she does something interesting, at least you had something than nothing. Or if she busts, at least you had a little bit than a whole lot. Okay? So again, follow me on Twitter at Trading Teacher, and if you want to take a live trading course with me, go to my site, thetradingteacher.com.